Oh my goodness, guys, the engine hoist just arrived. What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna do it. We're getting an engine hoist. So just to recap, in the previous video, we had removed the outdrive from the boat, but the engine was still seized up. So at that point, I decided the next step was gonna be to remove it from the boat. And now, as you just heard, in this video we are getting an engine hoist to do just that. Now, at first when I was looking, I thought I would probably just rent one. But as I started to look for places I could rent one from, I didn't really find a whole lot of places in my area that would do that. So, I mean, and you always can go further, right? If you want to drive an hour, maybe 2 hours to go get one, that's up to you, and that's fine. That's at your own time. But for me, I just really didn't like that, and I just ended up deciding I wanted to buy my own. So let me tell you guys what I found. So the first place I looked was the website for my local Tractor Supply, and I found here a big red 2-ton engine hoist for $280, and they had it in stock so I could pick it up that same day. So I thought, man, that's a pretty good deal. I might just do that. But then I went on to look on Amazon, and I found an even cheaper deal. The only catch was that I would have to wait a few days for it to ship in. But another thing with buying the one off Amazon is because I think it was shipping from out of state, so I would not have to pay sales tax on it, which off of $250, 6 or 8% sales tax makes a pretty big difference. So in the end, I ended up going with the Amazon one, and I saved myself about $60 doing that. The only catch was just that I had to wait a few days for it to get here. There it is. This bad boy's heavy. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Alrighty, we're gonna have some assembly required here. Look at that bad boy. That's pretty heavy duty. 2-ton hitch. How about that? Let's get her built. Alrighty guys, so you can see we've got the engine hoist here, still in the box, some assembly required. We drug it through the house, and let me tell you, nearly broke my back doing that. But we got it out here, that's what counts. Now we just gotta build it, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is what we have of the engine hoist so far. This is actually as far as I could get because not all the pieces came in one package. There's actually 2 packages, and the second one was shipped separately. So this is all I could get. Alright guys, the second package just got here, so now we can go finish setting up that engine hoist. Alrighty guys, well we got this puppy built, and let me tell y'all, it is pretty big. I mean, you see it in the box, and the box really isn't that big, but once you finally build it, it is really tall whenever you extend it out and up like that. So, I mean, it's just pretty crazy to think that this thing's in my garage right now. I've got an engine hoist now. So it's getting late tonight, but tomorrow morning I'm gonna be refreshed and ready to rip this puppy out of the boat. So until then, I will get some sleep. And that is where we're gonna end today's video, guys. If you enjoyed that, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos coming up, please subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. I'm at a whopping 14 subscribers right now, so gonna keep going strong on that. And y'all might be wondering, earlier in the video when I showed the hoist on Amazon, it said unavailable on that. So I'm guessing not long after I bought it, they went out of stock from that certain seller, but that same exact hoist is sold by a bunch of other sellers too, and some of them are rebranded, but it's still the same hoist, and you can get it for right around the same price too. So I'll leave that link to that to Amazon down in the description below if any of y'all are looking for that. And if that one I listed is unavailable, there's a whole bunch of others from different sellers listed there too. Most of them are all the same hoist. So, and with that, I just want to end on saying thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.